Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you guys all of my slimes in my slime collection. First of all, we'll be starting with this pink fluffy butter slime. It's so fun. Eventually it does get sticky though. It's really fun and stretchy. It's probably like the best slime I have. It's so sticky. I mean, like, what I try to do to fix it, if you guys have sticky slimes, what you need to do is put shaving cream in it, or sometimes activator, a little more activator, and lotion. And then you have a perfect slime all over again. Now, I just love this color. This reminds me of sweet cotton candy bubblegum. They need to, like, invent a cotton candy that tastes like bubblegum, because that would be awesome. Well, anyway, this is like a really good stretchy slime. It's perfect. Here. So this slime, I named it cotton candy. I know it's not normal for people to name slimes, but I'm different. Well, so what I'm trying to do is, I am, gonna try to fix up a bunch of slimes. Like, I have a bunch of slimes, so I have a best friend at my school. Every single person at my school is like, hey, can I give you my slime? Can you have it fixed? But that's not what this channel's about. So this is like one of the best slimes I've ever had. I just hate when it gets all clumpy and sticky. It's terrible. Well, moving on to number 2. I haven't played with slime in about a year. This is probably one of the grossest slimes in the world. What is that? What is this? It's so gross. I don't know if you guys can catch that, but it's super. Ew. That's not even slime. I shall throw this away pronto. Moving on. This is a putty, I think. I'm not sure. I haven't really played with these slimes in a long time. This is the hardest thing in the planet to open. I'm like serious. Man, that's hard. How are you supposed to open those kind of things? Like, I think it's not possible to ever open this container again. How hard is it? Or it's just my fingers are still sticky from the other slime, but I think it hardened and it like closed the whole thing down. Okay, I'm back. Finally got it open. It took some man strength. So, got it. And now it won't come out of the container. So, this is officially going to be thrown away. Yeah, you can tell. What's with me having like billion purple slimes and they're all ruined? Like, why does purple slime hate me so much? Like, I have like 5 and they all hate me. But of course I had to give one away because somebody asked me to fix it. I think it was my cousin, but it still didn't fix. This is putty. I like how stretchy it is. It's perfect. And it's like modeling putty. Like, perfect. Wow. See, look at the texture. It's so nice. But the thing I don't like, taking it out of the container. Moving on. And, whoa. What was that? Okay, well, moving on. This is the nicest slime ever. Look at how satisfying that is. I forgot about this. Ew, it has blue glitter. That is not a great combination. I like how stretchy it is and it doesn't stick to your fingers. So nice. Oh. This is like super nice. You know, this is probably one of the best slimes I've ever had. I still think that cotton candy one is my favorite. This one, so my cousin, she went through all my slimes and she said she wanted to name one of them. I said, have at it. She called this one Midnight Sparkle. I mean, okay, strange names. Out of the list. Moving on. Yay, new slime. This is probably one of the most jiggly slimes in the world. Look at that, guys. So melty. Ooh, nice texture. I like how it looks like it's about to melt. And it's just so nice. It doesn't really stretch it out. Is there blue glitter in this one too? Strange. That is not nice though. It's like leaves glitter everywhere. And it has this weird melty feeling at the bottom. It does not feel right. Like, look at that texture. This is probably going to be thrown away. This shouldn't even exist. I just hate... How did all that glitter get in here? My cousin. You know, I probably shouldn't let her go through my stuff. I mean... like, Peyton... I didn't... Oh my gosh. I was saying she the whole time. Like, the whole entire time. I mean, he's like 3 years old. And one time I brought some of my slime downstairs. And poured a bunch of glitter in it. A bunch of glitter. Well, that's the last time I've ever letting a 3-year-old play with my slime. Even though he says that he won't mess it up. Moving on. Woo! Last one. Oh my gosh, this is like one of the best slimes in the planet. What's with me having the best slimes in the planet and then the worst slimes in the entire universe? But I just hate how it's so hard to get out of the container. Like, you can't even get it all. Why did I pick this kind of container where I can barely fit my hand in it? Okay. This one, it's like glossy. Wow. And it doesn't stick. It's smooth. And it's nice. I like it. Did you guys hear that? Let me try that again. I didn't even, barely ever remember this slime. This is literally the best slime in the world. Moving on. Just kidding. That's the end of my slime tutorial. Well, please hit that big thumbs up button and subscribe. Please come back to my channel another time. See you guys. Bye.